Looking for a budget smartphone that ticks all the essential boxes without breaking the bank? The Honor X6b might be just what you're after. With a clean design, good specs, and a few standout features, it's a solid choice for everyday use. Let's break down what the Honor X6b brings to the table and how it fits into daily life. Design. First impressions matter, and the Honor X6b doesn't disappoint. Right out of the box, the phone feels good in the hand, weighing a comfortable 192 grams. It sports a sleek, modern design with a square camera module placed in the upper left corner, along with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for easy access. The design isn't just functional, but also stylish. It comes in 4 eye-catching colors: forest green, brilliant purple, ocean cyan, and midnight black. You'll appreciate how premium the phone feels, despite its budget-friendly price tag. Display. The Honor X6b features a 6.56-inch display, offering a good balance between portability and screen real estate. The HD Plus resolution is decent for its price range, providing clear visuals with vibrant colors. The bezels are slim on 3 sides, though there's a slightly thicker chin at the bottom. It also includes an angular notch for the front-facing camera. A highlight here is the DC dimming feature, which reduces eye strain when using the phone in low-light conditions, a thoughtful addition, especially for those who spend hours scrolling on their phones at night. The display is also certified with a 5-star overall drop resistance rating from Switzerland's SGS, making it tougher than you'd expect from a budget device. Performance. When it comes to performance, the Honor X6b is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, which is an upgrade over its sibling, the Honor X6a. This chipset is geared toward better efficiency and performance for everyday tasks. For basic usage like social media, video streaming, and browsing, the phone performs smoothly. Switching between apps feels responsive, and it's well optimized for multitasking. During my testing, I ran Zenless Zone Zero and PUBG Mobile to see how it handles gaming. While Temple Run and other light games run flawlessly, more demanding titles like PUBG show occasional lag and longer load times, especially in high settings. With 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, the Honor X6b can handle a fair amount of multitasking and offers enough space for apps, photos, and music. Camera. The Honor X6b is equipped with a square camera module that includes a 50-megapixel primary camera. There's also a depth sensor and macro camera, though the third lens is just for decoration. The camera does a reasonable job in good lighting conditions, capturing bright, detailed images. Colors come out well saturated, and there's a decent amount of sharpness. However, the phone struggles a bit in low-light conditions. While the night mode does improve image quality, it takes around 5 to 6 seconds to capture and process a shot, which can feel a bit slow. Some images came out noisy, and focusing can be inconsistent. Motion shots may also appear blurry if not taken carefully. Portrait shots are decent, with acceptable edge detection, although lighting plays a big role in the final outcome. The selfie camera gets the job done for casual snaps and video calls, but doesn't offer anything groundbreaking. For video, the Honor X6b can record at 1080p at 30 FPS. The video quality is solid for a budget device, though the lack of stabilization makes footage a bit shaky. This is especially noticeable when moving around while recording. Battery. One of the standout features of the Honor X6b is its 5,200 mAh battery, which is larger than most phones in its price range. During my testing, I easily got 2 full days of usage on a single charge with regular activity, including social media browsing, messaging, and some light gaming. The phone supports 35-watt fast charging, which is a huge plus. In just 30 minutes, the battery charges from 0% to 50%, which is impressive at this price point. Whether you're a heavy user or just need a reliable device that can keep up with you throughout the day, the Honor X6b delivers on battery life. OS and UI. The Honor X6b runs Android 14 with Magic OS, which is simple and easy to navigate. It comes with a few pre-installed apps, but you can uninstall most of them if they're unnecessary. Magic OS offers a range of customization options, allowing you to tweak the interface to your liking. Connectivity. In terms of connectivity, the Honor X6b supports 4G and VoLTE, LTE, ensuring reliable network performance for calls and data. For those in more rural areas, the support for band 20, 800 MHz, is a big plus, providing better network coverage. The phone also features a 3.5mm headphone jack, a rarity these days, and a decent single speaker, which offers clear audio even at higher volumes. For a budget phone, the sound quality was surprisingly good. Conclusion. To sum it up, the Honor X6b is a solid budget smartphone with a sleek design, good battery life, and enough power to handle everyday tasks. While it's not a gaming powerhouse or a camera phone, it does its job well for casual users who need a dependable device at an affordable price. The Magic Capsule feature and 35-watt fast charging are nice extras that set it apart from the competition. If you're looking for a phone that offers great value without emptying your wallet, the Honor X6b is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Techno Mobile. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know what you think in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one.